Welcome back. Thanks for staying with us. Tensions remain high in Enfield, St. Mary following a deadly gun attack which rocked the community. The police say the investigation is ongoing. But as you'll hear in this report from Anthony Lugg, some residents are now pointing fingers at the police.
A police team keeps watch over the Enfield community in St. Mary. 24 hours after a daring daylight gun attack, which left 3 people dead and 4 others injured, the community remains tense. On Wednesday, detectives combed the scene for clues. Early investigations indicate that 19-year-old Donald Westcott Jr. was the target. Mr. Westcott Jr. was out on bail. Residents showed us the books he used to log his police station visits as a condition of his bail. Still afraid after the attack, some persons spoke with our news team off camera.
Mask up with the big mask over their face, them black mask there, and say, we Donald Westcott there, and by him say, we Donald Westcott there, he just start shoot up everybody. One person run go hide. The woman run go hide, and when the woman run go hide, then run go and they go give her 2 shots.
The police believe Wednesday's deadly gun attack is gang-related, but those who spoke with our news team denied those claims. Instead, they've questioned, among other things, the police's response following the shooting.
The amount of shot we fire, and a 10 shot, and a 15 shot, and a 20 shot. I'll pitney did there the yard. I miss the pitney, miss it by an inch. People see a police dressed in a police suit, you know, the blue suit. Denim. Yeah, the denim suit there, yes. Bad boy, special squad. And then the vehicle will come and do the act, turn around the license plate, so you can't see it, you cannot see the license plate, or just the silver part of the plate you see.
But with residents claiming the men who carried out the attack were clad in denim similar to that worn by the police force, we sought answers from the police, who rubbished those claims, insisting that investigations continue. We were informed that Westcott Jr. was out on bail for murder and was also being sought by the police for a triple murder in Stony Hill earlier this year. And though Westcott Jr. is believed to be the target, others were injured. The police say the matter highlights an issue outlined by the police commissioner last week.
No longer can the persons who are harboring gangsters, who are protecting them, do so without putting themselves at great risk.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.